the perfect niche is perfect for you, for whatever it is you're looking for. So, and the niche that you begin with ought to be something that takes into consideration your skills, your experience, and your budget and your time. So skills, experience, budget, time. Okay, it's no good going into a niche where you want to make $1 million a year from the get-go, because you probably, unless you've got those 4 things in abundance, it's going to be really difficult for you to do that. Better to aim at the point where you're at. Okay, so I don't know what that means for you, but what I will say is this: all niches, you want to focus on 4 main things. Those 4 main things are: your customers should be in a lot of pain. They should be in a lot of pain. That could be physical pain, emotional pain, spiritual pain, whatever it may be. Okay, but they're in pain. They're actively looking for a solution. Like, they really, really want to fix this. Okay, that's a brilliant niche to be in, because if you are, that leads me to the next thing, which is the ability to spend money. The more pain somebody's in, the more money they will spend in that to solve that pain. And also, the less the other normal factors will play a part. So if your product perfectly solves their pain for them, but you haven't got many reviews, or you're super expensive, it's not such a big issue. Okay, it's not such a big issue. So you want to focus on customers in pain and customers that can pay. Okay, and then increasingly now, you want to focus on customers that are easy to find in lots of different places, not just on Amazon. If they are on Amazon, are the keywords, are the cost of the keywords something that you can afford? Does your business work with Amazon PPC driving traffic? Because if it doesn't, your business won't work, because for most things now, you need Amazon PPC. So you want to find them easily online. You want to be able to go and find them and put your marketing message for your product in front of them. Okay. Last thing, it's always easier to go into a niche where it's a growing demand, where the demand is on the up, not where it's plateaued or where it's heading down, but it's on the up. Okay, that's always much, much easier. It's easier to make money in a rising market. You don't need to be a genius to do it. You just need to be there oftentimes. Okay, but as the market matures, things change, consolidation happens, So they're the 4 main things. That was a video from the regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us now, not just here in Australia, indeed right around the world, and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs, certainly here in Australia. Sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, a couple of different ways of doing that. Of course, you should absolutely subscribe to this channel, post brand new money making information each and every day, but you should also get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, or you can just Google that, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and then you'll find us that way too. With that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. But remember to subscribe, and if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, bye.